Okay. So, Simon, are you here still?
Yes, yes, I'm here.
Hello, where are you
Yeah.
calling from?
Crete in Greece.
Okay, I heard you just had the craziest orange sky.
Yes, we do. Yeah, yeah. Dust comes across from Africa. Yeah.
Mad. It's mad.
Yeah, it's like Mars.
Okay, so you said I'm at the launch stage of my new business, Longevity Health Coaching. I've designed my signature workshop and 8-week course. It's fantastic. Have my social set up. Have started to create content, very small audience so far. I'm planning to send out an email blast to everyone I've ever met, colleagues, friends, past clients, previous businesses. Yeah, this is gold. You just,
From
that's a
you.
okay, there you go. Um, yeah, when you start your business, fucking tell everybody. Act now, apologize later. Don't worry about you get one email to your friends. Everybody forgive you for this. So yes, great. Okay, so I've been working on a list of hubs I can connect with other than actually contacting hubs. What else should I do to launch my business? I would check out Ross's work, the conversionengineering.co. If you've got all that set up, I would reach out to him and just say, hey, because his whole thing is, the question is, what else should I do to launch my business? But there's also it doesn't always need to be a big launch. Now, you know, I'm a fan of launching myself, but I might talk with him about it. But I think generally you've got it. That's generally you're on track. You're nailing it. But the for all of you who are in that early stage, the launching is important. Just getting it out there. It sounds like you already have a bit of a plan. Uh, but and if you're interested, for anyone who's just thinking about launching, if you don't want to do the launch model, then check out Ross, conversionengineering.co. But if you are interested in the launch model, where is it? There's a live webinar recording. I'll put the link. This is Bradley Morris and I did this together. We called it the Art of the Slow Launch. Oh, shit, I just tried to buy it on my own website. Right, here it is. And this is a 5-hour workshop, and it would walk you through the process of designing a launch. So if that's useful, feel free to check that out. But where's I going? So yeah, there's a strategy for launching. Ross can help you with that. Oh yeah, I was going to say the mistake I see a lot of people make is they go to launch something, but they haven't figured out what the follow-up will be after the launch, what the real structure is to sustain it. Because it's like, okay, you had a big you have a retail store and you have a big opening thing and you get everyone to come. But okay, what's going to have them come back? What's going to have them tell their friends? All of that stuff needs to be thought through in the launch. So if I had a retail store, for example, everyone who came in, I would give everyone like $5 coupon to come in again, $20, 20% off your next purchase. I would do something probably outrageous just to get them to come back. Or here's 3 coupons you can give to your friends for 20% off to get them to come. I'd be priming the pump to make the most of that moment because you're going to get to launch one time. That's it. And then you're reintroducing yourself. So when it's new, okay, I'm going to have some attention. It'll have the cachet of being new and exciting, and we're helping our friend. Okay, but then what? It's really important to think through the most important part of the launch is what happens after the launch. There was a flooring company I heard about, and when they redid their whole store, and how did they do it? They had a loft space that they was just full of old tires and stuff, and they cleaned it up, remodeled it, and turned it into an office for flooring contractors. And they had a fax machine, I think a Xerox machine, a printer. They had a coffee thing. They had some couches and tables, and they when they had their opening, they said, "Look, this space is your space. You can." And we're offering like a membership or something, and we're looking for some founding members of this. Here's what it costs. Here's what you're going to get. You will get a permanent 10% discount on all XYZ products. You're going to get access to this office to use. You will be put on our directory of flooring contract. They made this really amazing deal. So they thought through not just we're going to have a party and everybody shows up, but then here's the offer we make at the party. So if you're going to do a launch, like, okay, well, what's the next thing? You've got the 8-week course, which is great. But just for everyone, it's good to make sure you have that back end set up. Because otherwise, what happens, you have a big party, you feel fantastic. Oh my God, what a win. And then it's a ghost town. So it just seems like you're already on track, mostly for others.
I hope so.
Any follow-up questions on that?
I'm not sure. I mean, I'm not 100% ready to launch. I mean, there's little tweaks and things that are going to happen, but yeah. Yes, I'm not sure. I don't think I have anything else. And actually, the previous one, I got a lot from that. The previous question you answered. So
Wonderful.
yeah,
Thank
yeah,
you. Good to
cool.
see you.
Thank you. Yeah, cheers.